In this video, you are going to understand the updates that are launched by Meta. Now, the entire platform and settings are same. Not same, then similar. There are few options which are being moved up or they are being moved at the bottom on Meta platform. But there is something new that has been introduced by Meta and they call it Meta Business Portfolio. Earlier, we used to call that Meta Business Manager. Now, what is the difference between both of them and how you can use Meta Business Portfolio and also Meta Business Manager? Let's important lesson which is learning two, and that is Meta Business Manager Mastery. Now you are seeing 9 topics about this, right? What are we going to do? We are going to add one more lesson here. So instead of this 9 topic, you will be seeing 10 topic. The video which I'm recording right now, that will be updated here. What is this about? This is about Meta Business Manager and Meta Business Portfolio. Now, right below this video, you are going to find 2 URL. Number one will be helping you to go on Meta Business Portfolio. Another URL will help you to go on Meta Business Manager. Now, why Meta is changing this and what are the important changes you need to be aware about? The very first thing is they have not changed something drastically which you need to be worried about. No. If you are someone who has created their business manager in past, ad account in past, nothing has changed for you. You have the exact same Instagram, Facebook pages, right? You have your pixel over here. You have all the other options as well at the left side of your screen. If you are someone who is used to using Business Manager, all our video lessons are built around Business Manager, right? If you see, every single thing is similar. There is user option over here. You see the user option, right? Then you see account option. You see the accounts, then data source, brand safety. Everything is same, right? They have just changed the UI. The way you see, the look and feel has been changed. If you are someone who used to use Business Manager, but now you are seeing this screen and you are quite irritated, you don't know what you should do. You should simply come on your business portfolio page, scroll down, and you will be finding this option which says Business Manager. Now, when I click on this, there is a pop-up which says the new setting experience is updated version of business setting, right? It has the same feature as before, but new and improved with fresh look and added reliability. Please note that the classic version, what is classic version? This is a business manager. This is an old version, which is also known as classic version, will be unavailable very soon. Now, what is that soon? Maybe after I'm recording this video today, tomorrow you won't be able to see this option. So the day you stop seeing this option, which is business manager, that means they have removed this and you have to play around with business portfolio and you have to get your things done on business portfolio. You need, is it mandatory if you are seeing the business portfolio option and you're also seeing the business manager option? Is it mandatory that you should use business portfolio option? No, it is not mandatory. Till date, I personally myself use the business manager because I'm used to it, right? So this is how you come on this. You click on this option, which is business manager. It shows the pop-up. You click on go to business manager setting. You go to business manager setting page. Everything will remain same. Now coming back to this option, which is we are going to compare it side by side. What are the changes, how you play around with them and how you get used to it. Very first thing, we come to user option. Okay. And by the way, all the lessons related to business manager, how do you create your business manager, verify email, account, creating, adding users, teams, we are going to understand on the portfolio level as well in this video itself. So don't worry about that. They remain the same. But if you are like, no, I want to learn it once again on the business portfolio, I'm going to teach you inside this video itself. But first, let's compare side by side all the features. You see user, right? Inside user, there are three type of sub option: people, partners, system user. Same option you will be seeing people, partners, system users. Then in account, you see every single thing same: pages, ad account, business asset, app, Instagram account, WhatsApp account. We click on this accounts, pages, ad account, business asset, app, Instagram account, WhatsApp account. There is one change inside data source. Now, what is data source? Data source is where your data is stored of your pixel, of your events, of your website, of your ads. Now, if you see it here, inside data source in new and updated platform, which is business portfolio, data sets and pixels are combined. Data set and pixels are combined. Earlier, until date, in business setting, they are very, very different. You see pixel and you see data set. They both are very different. Now, everything from pixel has been shifted to data set. Now, you don't have to go into technicality. What is pixel? What is data set? Both are same. As of today, both are same. They have been combined by Meta. So on business portfolio, you come here, you click on this data set, you will be able to see your pixels. What is pixel? The code. There is a pixel mastery already in your account. So you can call it pixel mastery or you can call it data set mastery. Same, exactly same. The UI, the features, the systems are exactly same. So nothing to worry about. Coming back here on Meta for business portfolio. So all the features remain same. Every single thing, the billing option, the ad partnership, you will see everything over here. Billing option, ad partnership, partnership hub, integration, whatever you see here, you will be able to see here as well. Something important which I want to share with you related to pages. Now let's understand every feature. What are the use case of them? How you should leverage them. First of all, once you create a business manager, make a note of this, and this is very important. This should be your number one priority, and that is you will add another person as your admin. Okay, you have to create a business portfolio and you have to add one more admin. Don't miss out on that. You will be asking why. So the thing is, when you create your business manager, what if your personal Facebook account, right? This is my personal Facebook account, for example. Let me show you that as well. Right? This is my personal Facebook account. You come here in my personal Facebook account, and let's assume this account is restricted. I personally cannot add someone in this business manager, or I cannot remove someone from this business manager. Why? Because my personal Facebook account is restricted. So once you have one more person, as in with an admin access, they can pause your ads, they can launch your ads, they can remove someone, they can add someone. So it's add a safety cushion for your business portfolio. This is the number one thing. Now remember, you can add partial access as well. For example, I click on how to add someone. Same option. The way you add in business manager, we click on invite people, all the features. You add email, you click on next. There are 3 steps here. There will be 3 steps here as well. Okay, nothing has changed. 1 step, 2 step, 3 step. So for example, I want to add this person. I'm just going to give you example. We have added this person. Email is done. We click on next. Now you have to assign them what level of access you want to assign, basic or everything. As I have mentioned, someone who is your partner, please give them only the admin access. You're not supposed to give your friend admin access or someone else in your family an admin access. Don't do that, right? Do this, click on everything, and whatever level of access you want to give, you click on next. Then you have to select your ad accounts. Once you add someone in your business portfolio, you need to share the access of your assets. What is assets? Your Facebook page, your Instagram account, your ad account, your pixel, all of this are your assets. So you have to click on the asset. For example, we talk about ad account, we click on the asset, and what level of access we have to give, we need to select that as well. So there are 2 levels of access. Okay, let's understand this. Don't get confused. First, we have to give them access on the business portfolio level. And what level you want to give? For example, on portfolio level, you want to give them admin access level. But on your asset level, which are there in your business portfolio, of your ad account, you want to give them basic access. You just want to give them view access. You can do that as well. You can control that as well. And this is not new. The same thing is done on the business manager, and the same thing I've already taught inside this lessons, okay, which is business manager mastery, how to add users, agency access, client, all of this has been already shared with you. So this is not new, but with new updated interface, it gives you better understanding how to give the access. So you click, for example, I want to give view level access. I click on next, then I review it. I click on send invite. Now the email which you have entered, this email should be connected to their Facebook account. I have this Facebook account, right? Whatever email address is connected with my Facebook account, that email I need to share with your business manager. If you want to give me your business portfolio access to me, then I have to share that email. Same you have to do with your partner, friends, anyone with whom you want to share access, or your team member, your agencies, or whatever, right? This is how you share access with people, right? But let's assume there are two scenarios where you will have to use partner access. Now, what is partner access? Let's understand this. Now, for example, you are a business, right? And you want to give access of your business assets to an agency, right? They want to manage your ads, run ads on your behalf, or whatever. So in agency, agencies are never run by one people, but there are multiple people in an agency. Someone is content management, someone is social media management, ad account manager, lots of people, right? So there are 5 people in that agency. Now, do you think you will take email ID of everyone and then you will share access with them by selecting one person at a time? No, you don't do that. So as a business, what you do, you ask them that give me your business manager ID. You click on this business info, you will be able to see their business manager ID. When I click on my business info, there will be a business manager ID. I'm going to show you that. See this business portfolio ID. Now they have started calling it portfolio. So let's call it business portfolio ID, right? This business portfolio ID, you have to ask them that give me your business manager business portfolio ID. You come to your partner access, you click on add, then you select this option, which is give a partner access to your asset. You are sharing your assets access with your agency. You click on this, you add the ID, whatever that is, you click on next, you see same method, exactly same method. You select all the level like you want to share your ad account access, XYZ access, XYZ access. Now what will happen? The agency, the portfolio ID which you are adding here, they will see your business manager inside their business portfolio, your business manager. They will select that, they will see all the access which they have got, and they themselves will be able to assign to their team. Now, let's reverse this role. You are an agency and you want to take access of your client's asset. What you will do? You will ask them that this is my business manager ID. Share your assets access with me. Once they share access with you, you will add all your team member inside people. Then you will select that business manager. Then you will select their asset and you will be start adding people. Over here, you see this, you will be start adding people. Now, every detail, every single thing you will be able to understand inside this. We don't have to go too much into it, right? All the lessons, how do you add team member, how do you share access with agency, or how do you get access from clients, then payment method, and all of this are already mentioned. So this is all about business portfolio. Everything else remain same. Now let's come to the last but not least for business portfolio setting page option, and that is known as Meta Verified. Now what is Meta Verified? Meta Verified is to get a blue tick on your Facebook pages and Instagram pages. Now they have their monthly subscription fees. So if you can afford that fees, now it's very variable. They do change the pricing of their blue tick, but it adds the credibility, right? When Meta Verified started, many people started taking Meta Verified, but now what I have observed that those who were not able to afford or it was not of any use, they have discontinued their subscription, right? Do I suggest you to take Meta Verified? Yes, if you can afford. You have just started your business, you don't need it. But you are already into a business where you having a stable income, stable customer user base, then get it. It will help you eventually. It will help you build credibility. You click on Meta Verified. Now, Meta has kept this on hold. Okay. Now you see this join the wait list. If you see the option where there is no wait list, you don't have to do anything. Just click on your Facebook page, Instagram page for whichever you want to buy Meta Verified subscription, connect your debit, credit card, UPI, whatever it is, and buy the subscription. If you see this waitlist option, click on join the waitlist, whatever is required, do it. And once they start giving Meta Verified blue tick baggage to other businesses, you will also see this that you are eligible to get this for your Facebook page, Instagram page. So this was all about business portfolio. Hopefully I will see you in the next lesson.